Good day, magandang araw. Ako nga pala si Teacher Marvin, your loving and kind Blaon teacher here in Thailand. Okay, so let's continue learning about Blaon orthography and alphabets. So this time about consonants. So how many consonants in Blaon alphabets? There are 15 letters. So let's start. Letter B, letter D, letter F, letter G, H, K, L, M, N, G, R, S, T, W, and Y. Including sa vowels, we have 21 letters. Again, 21 letters. Don't forget that. Masuko si teacher. Okay. So, how about teacher? How about letter J, Q, X, Z? Okay, so those letters are hiram. Okay, amdem, hiligatomdem, di ba? So, kana siya nga mga letra na sa English and Filipino. Okay, so sa ako ang video, sa previous video, na nakabanggit ko about glottal stop sa mga kilay. Don't forget that ha, kana siya is glottal stop. Di blaon, ile, fanak. Okay, importante ng kilay. So, kilay is life. So, thank you and God bless. Follow for more. Like, share, and comments. Bye.